First, open our Turbo C. Start Turbo C++. Then new file. Save it. We will give it a name. Star. Now start writing the program. Hash include stdio.h. Hash include conio.h. Void main. Int row is a variable. I and j are also variables. Clear screen function. Printf how many rows pattern you want to show. Scanf percentage d ampersand go. Now for we will use the for loop. Here I variable is used. I initialize with 1. I less than equal to how many rows we want to create. So here the value is given I plus plus. This is the outer loop. Then we will give the inner loop with j equal to 1, j less than equal to I. J loop will be executed as per the number of I. Then print f star. Then print f for next line slash n. Here inner loop is closed, here outer loop is closed. That's ch. Now we will compile it. Warning no error. Save it again. Run with Control F9. How many rows pattern you want to show? If I enter here 5, then this is the output. Again, if we run it, then I gave here number of rows are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Friends, I hope you liked it. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.